In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download the Bitverse app and start trading, okay? So open your Android Play Store and search for Bitverse, and this is the app you're looking for. Now, I've installed the app already, and that's why it showed installed, okay? But if you're using an iOS app, just open your App Store and search for the app, and you should see it there too. So when you're done, so now we've successfully installed the Bitverse app on our Android phone, as you can see on our screen, okay? So open the app, and this is it. Remember, perps, enjoy using 100x leverage. You can imagine leverage as high as that, okay? So click on use now, and this is the home page of the Bitverse app. So the first thing we have to do is, of course, create the wallet on this app, and I'll put you through it right away. So go to assets, and you can see this create wallet button. Click on that, and then you can choose to import a third-party wallet, or you can create a wallet if you have not created before, okay? So let me walk you through it right away. So click on create your Bitverse wallet, and you can see you'll be prompted to either use your email, and you can insert an invitation code, or you can just go with Google. All right, so let's go with Google. And now you'll be prompted to input a password, okay? So choose a strong password you can also remember. And when you're done inputting your password, you click on next. And then if your phone has Touch ID, of course, you can turn on Touch ID, and there you go, importing blockchain data. And congrats guys, we've successfully created our Bitverse wallet, okay? So you can see now you have different options to back up your wallets in case you lose your phone, so you will not lose your funds too, all right? So now you go back and you can see we have successfully created a wallet on our Bitverse app, and you can participate in different campaigns. You can see lottery using BV, back up your Bitverse wallet and explore a tree. You can then go through all this and start buying, providing liquidity. You can also trade here on the Bitverse wallet. You can just change the pair you want to trade, and yeah. So next is to deposit, but before we can start trading, we have to back up our wallet, okay? Now click on backup, and then you choose where you want to back this up to. You can either use Google Drive, Dropbox, via the cloud, or QR code. All right, so I'll just use Google Drive here. Alright guys, so we successfully backed up our wallet, okay? So in case we lose our phone, we can quickly just restore the backup from our wallet. All right, so next up, let me show you how you can deposit. It's just the same thing as depositing on any other SEX or DEX. You can see transfer in, transfer out, deposit, transaction analysis. So now we switch to the spot wallets. You can see we can deposit into the spot, we can withdraw, and we can see our transactions and also our limit orders. We have not opened any orders yet, so you're not seeing anything here. And this is our wallet where we store our stuff, okay? You can see you have a variety of different tokens you can store in this wallet. You can deposit, you can withdraw, you can transfer within either the spot or the futures wallet, and you can also swap. And there's an airdrop tab here in case okay, you can see there's an airdrop here. You can also participate in things like this, okay? And on the benefits tab, you can also notice that you can actually gain points for just signing in, right? So you can click on start farming, and you can see today is the first time we're signing in, and it's farming for a whole 12 hours. So after 12 hours you come back and click on farming again, and each time you do that, you get, like, if we should get up to 12 hours, we get plus 2x BV. All right, I believe that's like the point system for the Bitverse app. All right, so you can also go to this check-in tab, and you can check in on different days to get the same XBV rewards. And you can see we just successfully checked in today, in as much as we've not been checking in the whole time, but we gain rewards today. And this is like a constellation reward. Check in for 7 days in a row to unlock mint eligibility. All right, so the more you're consistent in checking in, you can actually mint these constellation stuffs right here. And yeah, who knows how good they'll be in the future. They look good too, right? So you can see VIP giveaway. These are other things you can also participate in. Spend XBV to upgrade VIP and also earn USDT. You see, so there are many chances you can earn here in the benefits tab, okay? Now looking at the liquidity tab, you can see these are liquidity pools you can fund with your funds, right? Even more, you can see there's a whole lot of them, so you can feel free to explore and have some fun with it. You can go, as we just created this, so we haven't funded anything yet, and that's pretty much it. So this is the homepage as we saw the first time. This is US stocks. This is meme perps. You can see your favorite memes: IP, Pengu, Trump, Vine. You can see crypto futures, right? So these are like normal crypto futures you can trade here, and also make money from it. So that's pretty much it about the Bitverse app. I believe it should be the same with the iOS version. All right, so you can also participate in these airdrops and also get rewarded. So if there's any other thing about this, I'll tell you guys. Do follow me, subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.